My hair is a mess. I did a tutorial on my TikTok though about how to do these curls, and I like them when they're messy, but like they just right now look too messy. I broke my closet doors, so that's what we're dealing with. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Okay, and so this one won't move. This one will. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I've tried to put it back on the like track, and it just refuses. Living ghetto for the moment. It is 11:15 in the morning, and I woke up around 7 to take my dog to the bathroom and whatever. I have just been in bed. I didn't fall asleep till like 2 or 3 last night because I was watching JCS Criminal Psychology. If you guys have been on that wave, oh my god, I was watching The Wrath of Jody, which is so ironic because my puppy's name is Jody. I'm like, yeah, this is a Wrath of Jody. No, but it's just so interesting. I fell asleep actually to watching it because it's like a 2-hour video. It was basically like watching a movie, but so I fell asleep accidentally to it. So I want to like re-watch like the last like 30 minutes of it. Today I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of brand content that I need to get up. I'm just gonna say it here that I have 2 hauls of 2 companies this month, so I know it may seem a little overboard, but the timelines with certain things got kind of messed up, so you're just getting 2 hauls, which I know a lot of people like hauls, so I'm not worried about it, but I don't want it to be like overbearing. So yeah, I kind of got my day started, made my bed, got in some like athleisure wear, put sunscreen on, lip balm, deodorants, perfume, and whatever. Today is my 3-year anniversary with my boyfriend. Love you, Q. He's in Havasu with his friends this weekend. So he's away, so we're not doing anything today, but we are doing something when he gets home, which I'll do a whole video on separately. But yeah, so I might go out with my friends tonight. I think they're planning on doing it. I just have so much work to do that I like can't think about like going out, but I really want to with them because Allie's friends from Pennsylvania are here to visit, and I haven't really gotten the chance to hang out with them because I've been so busy with work. It's insane. So that's what I'm dealing with. I'm gonna go downstairs, make some coffee. We're gonna say hi to Jody. My mom is working in the front yard, the garden. Let's go. Somehow Miss Jody got in by herself. She was outside. But this is the little update on how big she is. She's getting big and it's making me sad. It's making me sad. Okay, time to make coffee. Excuse Call Me Maybe by Carly Rae Jepsen playing. She hates when Buffy barks. Damn, it's a lot of coffee today, guys. We're wired up today. What are you doing, Jode? This pimple is not vibing with me today. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna like try and just get my work done like right now, so I can have the evening to go out and have fun and stuff and be worry free. A lot of you guys, I posted a members video last night, and a lot of you guys are wondering how, like, why you can't see it. I have no idea why you can't see it. First of all, people can see it, like watch it through my swipe ups on my Instagram story, but I don't know where to find it. Like, I thought it was like you upload it as like a normal video and it just like doesn't show up, like you just can't watch it if you're not a member, like something like that. Apparently that's not the case, and I'm so confused. Maybe, I think if you go to like my community tab on my channel, I think it might be there. I don't know. I wish I could like see from a member's perspective, because what I can see is not what you guys can see. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go and edit, I think. Just get it done. Even though I've edited 3 videos in the past like 24 hours. Okay, I am uploading my haul with Princess Polly. I am so hungry. I'm like kind of getting a headache. I don't want to go get food, but I don't know what to get. I am gonna go out, I think, with my friends because I finished this and it's 2. But I don't think I'm gonna go till later because they want to meet at 3, and I'm like, that's too early for me to like start that drinking process. So I think I'm gonna go down there later or something like that, meet them somewhere. I'm not really sure. I think they want to get to the place early because I think it gets really packed early, especially on a weekend. So, oh, look at that. ready to go. It's a little while later. We're going in the jacuzzi. I got food to eat and then I was just laying down. I kind of got a headache. I think it's just because I was so hungry. But we're going in the jacuzzi. She's a tired girl. She's so tired. She's a tired little beast. Yeah, I think I'm going out tonight just like later. So I'll keep you guys updated with that. Oh, it's a little while later. It is now 8 o'clock and I have to get ready super fast. I'm going out and I'm late. I went to dinner with my friends Kate and Nicole. This is like what I put on from Bikini Boutique. I don't know if I'm like the vibe. If this is the vibe. I don't know. Maybe we'll just go with it. Yeah, I'm very overwhelmed. But you know, it's okay. We gotta make this a night to remember. I was supposed to leave by 8 and I'm just starting my makeup. I'm not doing anything crazy, obviously, because I literally do not have time for that shit. So we're just gonna throw up makeup on her face and hope for the best. I don't even have my armpit shaved. That's how last minute this is. You know what? We're not gonna talk about it. Like if they come, like I would want them to come, like they're fun. I just don't know about logistics because like I'm kind of getting more in the mood to drink. Like those kind of
especially when they're gonna come.
Yeah. Okay, ready Freddy. I just don't know about the shirt. Maybe when I'm standing up it'll be better. I don't know. Okay, see you. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog or not. Maybe I'll get some Snapchats. Whatever we end up doing. See you guys there. Okay, really quick before I leave. This is the fit. It's whatever. This top is from Princess Polly. These are from... I actually have no idea. I'll have it on the screen or something. And then Docs. Yeah. Morning. We have quite the agenda today. I look horrible. You know what? But it's okay. It is 12:30 almost, and I need to clean my room. My closet door is broke, so I had to have my dad come and fix it. You know what? This is just gonna be like a cleaning portion because look at this. I just have so much shit, and I literally can't. Like, it's too much. I need to clean out these drawers. I need to go through my clothes. That's what we're gonna do, and then I have to shower and scrub off my self-tan. I don't know if you guys can see my knees. No way. No way. Well, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna play some music. I also haven't eaten today. I need to eat soon, or else I'm gonna lose my goddamn mind. Let's clean! appreciate Q's flowers to me for our 3-year anniversary. They're stunning. Absolutely so pretty. Best boyfriend award. So this is what we have so far. We cleaned out. This is all giveaway stuff. This is all cleaned out. We have it all kind of organized. I need to do my shoes. I need to figure out a hat situation. Oh, and all that. Oh my god, it's just honestly a process. I'm gonna stop filming and come back to you guys because my camera needs to be charged, and I'll update you guys. I also have all this to hang up. These are sweatpants that I'm gonna go through and all that. So I'm also starving and I haven't eaten anything, and it's 1 o'clock and I always do this to myself. So we'll see what comes of it. I obviously showered. My room is pretty clean. That was the messiest part. And my closet, here I'll show you my closet. This is what we're looking at right now. It's pretty organized. It's pretty organized. Shoes are all in line. Purses and bags are all up here. I cleaned out my sweatpants area. I have a hat downstairs that needs to go right there. And then this side is all cleaned out. I just have so much shit, but I like can't get rid of it. These I kind of like did as best as I could, but I mean the bottom, like from here down, it's pretty bad, but yeah, I got rid of a few things. Those are my clothes that I need to bring to Goodwill. This is like an old ass green screen that I had when I was like first started YouTube. It's always been in my closet, so I'm throwing that away. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a lot of laundry to do. I need to take out my trash, but that's it. Right now I'm gonna go pick up food. I'm gonna pick up Chipotle. It just sounds so good. I don't know why these days I've been forgetting to eat. I've just been so busy and everything. So this is my little comfy outfit for right now. I scrubbed off literally all of my self-tan, well, as much as I could. There's still some like lingering here and there, but for the most part I'm all exfoliated and I put lotion on. I'm all shaved. I've shaved my face. Oh, it just feels so good to be completely fresh and clean. What's up, guys? So it is Monday. Actually, I had a hair appointment yesterday, but it got rescheduled to today. So it is 6:15. It's actually a pretty late appointment. I've never had an appointment this late, but it's because my hairdresser's going out of town tomorrow, so I like asked her to squeeze me in really quick before my graduation. It took a couple weeks. But I'm meeting up with Allie. We're gonna go get Starbucks beforehand. Luckily, Allie lives right by my salon, so before anyone asks, I don't tell my hairdresser what to do, really. I just show her inspo pics of what I like, but I want a lot more layers because my hair is literally one length except for like these pieces right here. I want a lot of layers. Like I like that layered, like heavily layered look. And then I want, I think, shorter bangs. I want a stronger money piece and brighter ends. So that's what like I'm showing her pictures of. You know, I think it's always best. I think I've heard from a lot of hairdressers that it's best, like it's easier to show pictures of like what you're thinking of instead of like talking it out, because they get like a visual of like what you want, you know. I think that's a little pro tip, I guess, if you're newly like dyeing your hair or something, or you're just like not familiar with it. I've been going to my hairdresser now for like 4 years or something, for a very long time. So her and I are like on that comfort level where I can tell her the things that I want and like not be afraid to tell her. I have all these bags right here because I was gonna deliver these to Savers today, but things got a little skewed. I went to lunch with Q, then we chilled at his house. He has a really bad heat rash because he was in Havasu, so he's like in really itchy and like pain. We just chilled at his house. It's really gray and like cold today. I don't know what is going on. It's literally June 7th. Gray skies. So it's kind of a bummer. I like this weather when it's supposed to be this weather, you know? When it's June, I want clear blue skies, 80 degrees. You can never have what you want. Or you always want what you can't have, I guess is the phrase. So I'm gonna go to the salon. I'm gonna see Allie. She probably doesn't want to be filmed knowing the trend that she's with. She doesn't like to be in my videos anymore. So it's kind of sad, but yeah, I will see you guys probably just at the salon. So I forgot to end the video, but this is my hair. I guess I'll show you. It's a little blonder. I am obsessed with the color, you guys. Like that chunky money piece. It's everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry there's talking in the background. Getting this up for you guys ASAP. And I'll see you in my next video.